here with construction manager Scott Peck. Scott's gonna tell us what's the process for getting this brick to look really, really nice.
Muriatic acid is watered down hydrochloric acid. Okay, in the process, once we do the muriatic acid, we don't want to leave on there too long because what it can do is, see this joint right here, it'll start to eat into the mortar joint. And the mortar is what glues or binds all these bricks together. This joint is how we want it to look. See how there's not a separation? And here it's started to eat away a little bit at the mortar. So this is ideal. And so within 30, 40 minutes, we like to spray it with water to neutralize the acid, and then it settles down and doesn't continue its process. And once it's dry, then, like I say, we do that clear coat to kind of seal it, and that way it won't continue to deteriorate.
So this is what happens once you guys do the chipping.
Yeah.
And then this is what happens after the acid comes in.
Yeah, and it'll even look more red and more pronounced with a clear coat on there. Like, you know, when you spray something with water, it pops. It'll be a really beautiful finish.
The original plan was to expose one side of the brick in the brewery building. You see how good it looks, and so do we. So now we're gonna change, we're gonna call an audible and just expose the entire brick. The time to do it is now. Why? Because once the brewery moves in, we can't change anything. So we're gonna do it right before the tanks are installed. Think we can get that down there? What do you think?